Hi, I'm Dr. Sridhar K. One important question that parents often ask is how long do we need to sterilize the bottle? How long do we need to boil the water that we give the baby? So it's a very good question. Obviously, in the first 6 months, when the baby's immune system is developing, you're still in the process of giving the vaccination and they are at high risk of infections. We need to take all precautions possible to reduce the risk of infection. So the bottle is always a source of infection. Breastfeeding is best from that point of view as well, because we don't need, but for very many reasons you may need express milk to be given, or formula milk to some extent may need to be given. You need to sterilize the bottle, especially cleaning the nipples with the brush is very important as well, and sterilizing is important because it can easily harbor infection. As long as you use a bottle, you need to sterilize it. But when you move on to cup feeds or sipper feeds after 6 months, you can wash them in hot water with soap and then let it dry, and you don't need to sterilize them. Remember that the baby starts crawling, baby starts mouthing. They take all things around them after 6 months of age and put them in their mouth. So we are not talking of sterility after 6 months of age, we are talking of clean. So cleaning and sterilization are different. Same applies to the water that the baby takes as well. The first 2 to 3 months after you start solids, you have to be boiling the water, cooling it and giving it. After that stage, whichever water you find suitable for consumption is okay for the baby as well. So the cups can be washed normally. You can use the dishwasher or you can wash yourself. And the bottle, as long as you continue, it's better to sterilize it. But obviously for dental reasons, it's better to come off the bottle when the baby is 6 months old or old. It's convenient for the parents, but it's not good for the baby's teeth when you continue the bottle, and it's a habit that persists. The earlier you start switching to the sippy cup and stop the bottle, the easier it is to get rid of it. So I hope this addresses your question. Regarding what water to use, many parents ask that as well. This is not a big concern. As long as the water is suitable for drinking, it can be used for making the formula milk for the baby. The mineral content of the water that you have in the mineral water here is okay as well. Boiling the water tends to reduce the minerals as sediment as well. So even if it is mineral water, for the first few months you need to boil the water before you use it, because the mineral water is clean but it's not sterile. So do share this information with your friends and colleagues. Thank you.